The momentum is defined as the combination of mass and velocity. Lecture outlines are available on the college internal website. The Commissioner will portion the funds among all the sovereignties. Many graduates of journalism can get jobs in the communications field. In any written assignment, a detailed literature review is very important. People in this kind of job tend to work long hours. The chemistry building is located near the entrance to the campus. The author's early works are less philosophical and more experimental. The camera can identify eyes and focus on them. The economy is now on its first signs of recovery. The lecture will cover the reason of climate change. The result of the study will be published next month. There are a range of housing options near university students. The trial experiment is to increase the interests of the issue in the jurisdiction clause. Marks will be awarded for a bibliography in the correct format. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important. We are considering all candidates' backgrounds and identities. The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement.
Everything happens for a reason, even if you don't understand it in the moment. The best leaders lift people up versus tear people down. The greatest mistake we make is living in constant fear that we will make one. The more messes you allow into your life, the more messes will become a normal part of your life.
The questions you ask are more important than the things you could ever say. The starting point of all achievement is desire. The value of getting to your goals lies not in reaching the goal. There never was a truly great man that was not at the same time truly virtuous. To double your net worth, double your self-worth. Today is always the most productive day of your week. Treating someone as second class never gets you first class results. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid. What is called genius is the abundance of life and health. When obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. With a new day comes new strength and new thoughts. You are not what you think you are, but what you think you are.
You can make excuses or you can make progress. Just because no one's ever done it before doesn't mean it's impossible. Challenge is nothing more than a seed of opportunity. Inspiration is the rocket fuel that makes ordinary days extraordinary. Sometimes the only change we need is a change in how we see the world. Blessings happen more frequently when we take the time to notice them. Let your thoughts and actions come only from a place of love. Adversity is the universe's way of directing us down a different path. Give to others with no expectation of receiving anything in return. Be not afraid to surrender your beliefs on how things should be. Please share appreciation, spread the love and happiness, and watch what happens. Never look back unless you are planning to go that way. Dream big and make life fun. Do something outrageous each day. The best way to get unstuck is to go do something for someone else. What you get from life will be in direct proportion to what you give to life.